Did you have a sip?
No, because it's gin tonic. Oh, that was okay.
Have a glass? Yeah. Cheers. I'm Jeremy and we are taking the pictures tonight. New York.
Toronto. Bye.
All right. Don't be shy. Okay, we'll try again after a few drinks. Guys, a little picture. Yep. Thank you, guys.
Are you French?
Yep. I'm French.
We can see it.
You can see my face? It's not my accent, you sure? So, did you have a sip?
No, because it's gin tonic. It's gin tonic.
It's the best. Are you French too or? Oui, je suis français.
Ah bah salut. Enchanté, Olivier.
Olivier, Jérémy.
Enchanté. On se retrouve.
Champagne. Thank you, Pub Crawl. One more. Thank you.
Oh, I blinked. Oh, that was okay.
I always take a few in case someone blinks.
Mais attends, habituellement tu rentres chez toi à quelle heure tous les week-ends?
6 heures à peu près.
Hola, me llamo Marilu.
No quiero estar
Soy
ahí.
francesa y me encanta Seúl porque hay mucha gente y mucha diversidad y me encanta este chico que está fotógrafo.
Whatever.